Mr. Ali Nizami, I hope you are ready now
Yes,
for
sir.
your presentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can get started now, please. Ali Nizami.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Ali Nizami, and today I am going to give my justification why I am against the way weddings are held in Pakistan. I have divided my topic in three parts. Number one, first, I will talk about how weddings are held in Pakistan. Secondly, I will arguments why weddings are held in the certain way in Pakistan. Thirdly, I will suggest how weddings should be held. Now, let's start with the way weddings are held in Pakistan. It's a well-known fact that a huge amount of money is spent on wedding in Pakistan, especially from the groom family. There are high expectations to receive expensive gifts, furniture, car, motorcycles, and many more from the bride's family as a dowry. Everyone knows that wedding in Pakistan not only last many days, but also a lot of money is spent each day on dresses, lighterings, unnecessary decorations, and food. A bride dress, a bride dress can cost over 400,000 rupees, and it has sadly become a competition and standard which the bride family needs to fulfill in order to meet the standard of this ill society. Many people say that they need to take big amount of loan from banks and some personal resources to be able to afford their son or daughter weddings. Now moving the second part of my presentation, why are weddings held in this certain way in Pakistan, and why have we adapted these customs and tradition which are actually not a part of our culture or religion. We are all aware that we have lived with the Hindu communities for over 1000 years. Sadly, we have adopted many tradition and custom from the Hindu culture. Although we celebrated Independence Day in 1947, but I personally feel that we are still slaves of these wrong customs which are following blindly. Functions like Mayo, Upton, Mehndi, Bollywood style wedding receptions have become a must. And another reason for these type of wedding ceremonies are that the Pakistani communities is caught up in a unhealthy competition where people try to show off in wedding for the sake of keeping up an unless standard. Now let us move on the third point. How should wedding held in Pakistan? Being a Muslim, we must follow the way our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has told us. According to our Prophet, weddings ceremony should be held in a very simple manner. A wedding ceremony should last for a day for some hours, where the groom should bear all the wedding cost. Dowries should be arranged by the groom and given to the bride as a gift. Dinner for the guest should be simple, affordable, and not too much. By following the path of our Prophet, we can definitely avoid a lot of unnecessary wedding ceremony cost. These expenses weddings are only a one-time show which take away all the blessings. That's it.
Well done, Mr. Ali Nizami. And let me give you my feedback now. It was, I would say, I can see it's a much better presentation compared to your previous presentations. This time you spoke for 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Obviously, it was well prepared, very good introduction in the beginning. And the best part was that you broke it down into three parts, and then you moved from one part to the other part. This is the transition, and it was evident that you prepared it very well. Another good thing was that you spoke very slowly. That's that's also, you know, good, because your audience can understand and they can follow it easily. There are three things I would like to raise, and you might want to correct them. Number one, for I'll, I think you were saying I ill three times. You said I ill. Probably you were referring to I'll, that I'll do this and I'll do that, but you were saying I ill. So second one, the pronunciation of furniture. It is not furniture. In people call it in Urdu furniture, but in English it is furniture. And the third one was bridal dress. Bridal dress. Okay. Overall, I would say
Yes.
I would give 9 out of 10 to this presentation. Well done, excellent. Do you have to say anything?
Yes.
You want to say something,
It's
Ali
okay,
Nizami?
sir.
Okay,
No,
thank you.
sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I try to use the signal